Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover running our TestNG test cases. So let's get started. So first of all, we will open our Eclipse. Okay, and you can see it. Click on New Java Project. Okay, then in Java Project you have to click on the New class. Then create one class test one we have created, and then click on Finish. Then this will come. You have to write @test, okay, for TestNG, and then you have to click Ctrl+Shift+O. Then you will get this import if TestNG is already installed. Okay, then you have to click on this test.test1.java and run as TestNG. Okay, and then you can see the result will be like this in this format. Okay, so if you have any question, please do comment. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.